Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to take the derivative of cosine functions. So here we have two examples. One is cosine of 5x and the other one is cosine of square root of 4x. So we already know the derivative of d over dx of cosine of x equals negative sine x. Okay, so this is the derivative. When we take the derivative of cosine, we get negative sine. And other thing that we have to keep in mind is the derivative of cosine of u. So we have to apply the chain rule here. U is a function of x, so we get negative sine of u times du over dx. So we take the derivative. When we take the derivative of cosine of u, we get negative sine u times the derivative of u, because u is a function of x as well. So now we have this cosine of 5x. So here we're going to apply the chain rule. So derivative of cosine of u equals negative sine of u times du over dx. Now here u equals 5x. Now we take the derivative, so d over dx of cosine of 5x is equal to negative sine of 5x, that is negative sine of u, times the derivative of the u part, which is 5x. Okay, so when we take the derivative of cosine of 5x, we basically apply the chain rule here. So that is equal to negative sine of 5x times the derivative of 5x. So this is equal to negative sine of 5x times derivative of 5x is just 5. So this is the final answer. Now let's work out another example. We have cosine of square root of 4x. So this one I'm going to write it in a little different. I'm going to actually substitute the exponent corresponding to the square root sign. So it's going to be cosine of 4x to the 1/2. Okay, so we're going to apply the chain rule here. D over dx of cosine of u equals negative sine of u times du over dx. And then we go ahead and plug in our function here into this chain rule. So we get negative sine of 4x to the 1/2 times, now we take the derivative of 4x to the 1/2. Okay, now here we have another chain rule. So we have an outer function which is square root, and then we have inner function. So we take the derivative of outer function and then times the derivative of inner function. So we get negative sine of 4x to 1/2 times the derivative of outer function is going to be 1/2 in parentheses 4x to the 1/2 minus 1 times the derivative of inside, which is 4x. Okay, so we apply the chain rule here as well. So we get negative sine of 4x to the 1/2 times 1/2 times 4x to the negative 1/2 times the derivative of 4x is just 4. So this is the final answer to this problem. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.